There's an included slide on recycling wind turbine blades, because if we do adopt painting or manufacturing one dark blade and two light blades per turbine, there may be implications to how recyclable the blades will be, as opposed to when all are a uniform gray color. This has yet to be determined. We're waiting for responses from some of the recycling companies to our questions. Many components of a wind turbine, such as the tower and nacelle parts, already have established recycling practices. Until now, the composite materials used in wind turbine blades have been more challenging to recycle because a resin system binds all the components together. In its recyclable blade, Siemens Gamesa is using a new resin type with a chemical structure that makes it possible to separate the resin from other components. The process protects the properties of the materials and thus allows them to be reused in new casting applications. For example, in the automotive industry or in consumer goods like flight cases and flatscreen casings. Wind turbines last an average of about 25 years. Looking into the future, some organizations like WindEurope and Re-wind are exploring new ways to ensure the giant wind turbine blades don't end up in landfills. Some of these alternative recycling solutions are turning them into cement, using the blades in civil engineering projects, or producing them into pallets to be used in carpentry applications. Because of the explosion of wind turbine usage, it is vitally important that we avoid feeding landfills and decrease carbon dioxide emissions by recycling wind turbine blades and picking up any scraps. The DOE, Department of Energy, is working with a company named Carbon Rivers. Carbon Rivers has achieved 99.9% recycled glass fiber purity. You can see an example in the lower left-hand corner, from different end-of-life waste streams like wind turbine blades. The complete elimination of contaminants, along with high recoverable fiber aspect ratio and performance, allows recycled glass fiber to displace virgin fiberglass in different composite applications. The high purity also opens the potential for remelting. That is, allowing recycled glass fiber to be incorporated into virgin fiberglass, thereby closing the material loop and creating a circular economy. A quote from Carbon Rivers: "By converting the original composite scrap back into reusable raw materials like clean, mechanically intact glass fiber and pyrolysis oil, we've developed a self-sustaining recycling process that makes a composite circular economy a reality. This will help create jobs in recycling and sustainability."